Hello, crafty friends. You're watching Cardz TV with Mary, and today we're going to make card number 3 in the Easter card series for 2018. And I just got this Lawn Fawn Gotta Have Gingham Petite paper pad, and it's so pretty. The colors are so soft, and I thought this was just perfect for the card that we're going to make today. You can see there's yellow, pink, blue, lavender, and green. We're going to use the Easter 2010 Cricut cartridge, and this just has an overlay. It doesn't come with a manual, and it's really easy to use, but I think it's also in Cricut Design Space. If you just look up Easter 2010, and I cut this cross right here. I just cut the bottom part of it, not the intricate top part. I showed you this the other day. This is a Lawn Fawn set called Flutterby that I've had a while and had never used until the other day when I used the butterfly. Well, today I used the rose and the leaves and then this tiny flower right here. I colored them with some Spectrum Noir markers, and I'll give you the colors for those when we get to that. And we're also going to use the Cardz TV Easter Blessing stamp set, and we'll be using Have a Blessed Easter. We're going to start off with this pale pink card base. This is 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 when folded, and then this is a piece of that gingham from that little paper pad, and this is just a piece of white, and I've gone ahead and adhered them together. Now I cut this oval out of the front with that stitch scallop die because I wanted like a window with the gingham showing through, and I ran the white top part through this Stampin' Up! Fancy Fan embossing folder. I thought that turned out really pretty. Now I'm going to go ahead and attach this to the front of my pink card base. And I hope I'm getting it straight. It looks pretty straight. Now I told you I cut that cross out. And here it is. I cut this out of some Stampin' Up! Crumb Cake cardstock. And I hope you can see what I did. I ran it through this Tim Holtz wood grain embossing folder. I just put it up here in this top corner because it has the wood grain closer together. And after I did that, I hope you can see the dimension it gave it. I wanted it to look like a wooden cross. Then I took the Tim Holtz Tea Dye Distress Ink and just took a finger dauber and rubbed it all over that cross. I've got this on some foam tape, and I'm going to put this in the center, going side to side, but up a little closer to the top, just like that. Now I went ahead and stamped my sentiment, and for that I used that smaller scallop stitched oval die. I think that's so pretty. I also went around this with the Tea Dye Distress Ink, and I stamped my sentiment with the Memento Tuxedo Black from the Cardz TV Easter Blessing stamp set. This is also on foam tape. And I want to go ahead and see where that's going to go, right down here, because I've got my rose and those little blue flowers to add around the sides. Now here's my rose, which is on foam tape, and then I did those little flowers in blue, and one of those is going to go right over here. My rose is going to go just about like that. And I've got my leaves. And this is mainly why I wanted to lay the sentiment there, so I can see where to place my leaves. I'm going to put my leaves down first. Just about like this. So you can see I had to see exactly where that was going to go. And then I'm going to put one up here. And then I've got 2 more little blue flowers. I'm going to put one right here at the edge of the rose, just tucked underneath. And then this one's going to go on top, just like that. Here's my finished card. I got everything adhered down. I did make just a few changes. I took off the sentiment, the oval that had the tea-dye distress ink around it. I thought it was a little too dark, and I just cut another one and stamped it, and I think it stands out enough from the background with that stitching around that oval and then the embossing on here. So that was one change. And then the other one, this little blue flower, I was going to put down here, and I moved it up there. I thought it was much prettier up there. But this card is about the true meaning of Easter, guys, about the cross. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for coming by and for watching, and I will see you again soon with another card. Have a great day. Bye now.